Amazing, amazing. So I like the chemistry between both of you. So my next question for you, I'm gonna go with you first, I, is what do you like about your husband? Sosa, I, tell us all the good things you like about him that makes you love him and be attracted to him as your husband, I.
He said, yes, I'm gonna kill.
um, One thing I really liked even before we got married, uh, he respects my family as much as he respects me. Like, I love my family so much, especially my mom. I love her so much. There's a lot of times that I want to do things for her, and like I ask him to help my mom out and stuff. He never says no to helping my mom or like supporting my mom and like do things with my family. Like in Japan, there's a lot of family that they don't see each other. They don't like really get close to each other's family. I don't know, like even the one's family, like with their own family, they're not like close. Most like sometimes some of the families I've seen my friends are not like really talking to their parents for like long time or something. But no, I love my family and he understands that. He always supports my family. He always understands me, like trying to support my family. I think that is the best thing I like about him. This guy also did a lot to me like that.
Is there anything else you like about your husband? Maybe tell us three more things about your
Uh,
husband that you love about him. Three more.
Nothing. Look at him. He cares about his reputation a lot. He always care about what other people think about him and like he try to act cool. But when there's no camera, when there's nobody around, he can be the most crazy person in the world. He always go and do stupid things and make me laugh. Like I there's a lot of times I cry because I laugh too much. Like my tummy was paining and stuff. Like he's really funny. Yeah, that's another
Wow.
thing.
Give us two more things.
Two more.
Yes.
Yeah, give them the
There's
vibe.
one thing I like, but you get mad. So let me
Okay,
think.
fine. It's okay. You can say it. It's fine. Mm.
Um, Sometimes, not sometimes though. Most times he act like
He said 3 years old. We're gonna have a problem.
he act like a kid, and it's so cute. I don't know why, but like it makes me like really, really like cute. Like sometimes I want to like squish
Yeah.
his face, and like like that. It's very cute
Not you want to.
sometimes.
You always do that.
Okay, I do that anyway. I don't know, like how do I explain that you're like a kid?
He already understand what you're trying to say.
Okay,
So
maybe,
move on.
maybe.
Now, give me one more thing, I, about him. Maybe it's the way he looks. Maybe because he's caring, he's loving. Maybe because he wants to protect you. Give us one more thing you really like about your husband.
Mm, okay, caring and loving. Those are like of course. I didn't even think about it, but yeah, he's loving and caring. Actually, yeah, he loves me so much.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, I. So now, Sosa, tell me four things you love about your wife.
Oh, okay.
First of all, she's the most beautiful woman in the world. To me, literally. It's not exaggerating or anything. And she is the most caring person you can ever meet. Trust me, if you meet her, you will know what I'm trying to say. She do things that I don't even imagine. Like I'm not even expecting her to do. And she's family oriented in every way. Like, of course, I'm from Africa. Sometimes I have like other, how do you call it, responsibilities. If I miss, she's never say like, babe, no, that the money you're trying to do to use on this is too expensive. It's too much. She's never been that kind of person. She's always like, yeah, I understand it. Always.
Wow.
There's no way I can describe her actually. Really, it's not because of the camera or anything. It's a fact.
That.
Like, I've seen a lot of women that like they cannot even think about doing what she does, and there are a lot of men that cannot even imagine that a woman would do what she does. I'm still on the third one though. I'll be on the last one later. And then on the fourth one, on the last one, she is the same one with the first one. Back to the last one. Amazingly, really cute looking. If you can say, you can tell.
Kawaii, huh?
So they show.
Mecha kawaii.
Nyongo sha-
Nyongo chotodake. I'm learning it bit by bit. Sumimasen. As us.
He knows more than you. Oh my god.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Awesome. So you're married. Can I ask how old are you, Sosa?
I'm 28.
And how old are you, I?
I'm gonna be 28 by this year, to be specific.
Okay.
She like-
how old is?
I'm 24, but I'm gonna turn 25 this year.
Amazing. And you've been dating for 2 years now. So you've been married. You've dated for 2 years, but you got married. When did you get married?
Last year. We've been married for 1 year.
2 years ago, though. The year has changed already.
Yeah. We got married 2021, December 14th. But we met
Amazing.
14th, 2020. No, 20.
Okay.
No, 20. Sorry, I made a mistake.
It's same year.
2021,
So
February.
it's been 1 year. We've
So-
been married.
Okay.